Okay, so after once the session is over, we'll able to send the recording as well.
For sure. Thank you very much, sir. You can start. No problem.
Okay, so okay, before we start the session, may I know any specific expectation from the participants, from the educators on this webinar? What exactly you want to know?
The main thing is we are all teachers of a pharmacy college running B Farm, M Farm, and PhD.
Okay.
So more of the teaching techniques and like which will be helpful for research, and as well as what all we can do with this tools available as in the Google Educator programs. So how we can maybe present a seminar, or maybe basic details everyone knows because everyone has gone on to online.
Right,
And
right,
we
right.
have a Moodle platform running for our
Okay.
institution. So,
Okay,
but
okay.
what further we can do, and what is
Okay.
the benefit of being a Google certified educator? We all are educators, but what is an extra thing which
Right,
we
right, right.
get from when we say it is Google certified?
Okay,
So
okay.
they can be benefited. Like in the programs, we have to spend some money. So everyone will be
Yes, yes.
thinking in mind whether it is worth it
Right.
or not, and how tough the course will be, and
Yes,
how
yes.
we can get about. So those insights you can give us.
Yes,
That
yes, yes,
is
yes. Okay, great.
okay.
So, thank you, Jyoti ma'am. So, I just got what exactly the expectation of other participants. In case if anyone else would like to share something, they can do, or will otherwise we'll start the session. So, okay, so this is a webinar on Google Certified Educator Program, and from Up Educators. We are a Google Cloud partner company, and my name is I'll be the presenter of this webinar. I'm Ankush Bandari, and I'm a Google Certified Trainer, and as well as a Microsoft Certified Data Scientist, and I've trained nearly about 2,000 educators in last 1 year on Google Certified Educator in digital tools, right? And I think the larger perspective is of becoming a Google certified educator is becoming proficient in using technology in education, right? So anyone would like to say something why we need to become digitally smart? So largely we all talk about, okay, because of pandemic we have to become digitally smart, but that is not the only thing. What is happening, especially in last 2 years, we'll see there is exponential rise of free and interactive digital content to teach students. Previously, the dependency of professors, teaching staff, faculty members were largely on textbooks. But now you have got 3D content, website, digital ebook, augmented reality, simulation, online assessment, and videos, right? So many such things are coming. So in case if teachers are well equipped with a digital part, I think they can conduct their classes smartly. Similarly, in future, right? 9 out of 10 job will require digital skill. Even if you are in pharmacy as well, right? Even the students are in pharmacy, even they should be technically competent, because now no job is isolated. Every time you have to use technology, right? So 9 out of 10 jobs will require digital skills. And though you don't so it's largely very easy nowadays to engage this generation, the young generation, with the digital learning resources. And again, this is a very important part, personalization, right? So here, based on the interest of the student, based on their understanding, we can share different kind of resources using Google tools which are available over there. I'll be giving the demonstration of those tools. So we can say we can ensure something called differentiated learning or personalization. Then very important 21st century skill sets, whether in whichever profession we are. So this 21st century skill sets like critical thinking, collaboration, problem solving, creativity, communication, and self-regulations are very important for everyone. So again, with the help of these tools, you will able to impart even these skill sets to your students. Hybrid is becoming a new normal everywhere. Hybrid means using of classroom plus online learning together, right? So that is why we need to be digitally competent, reduce the digital gap between students and educators. Most of these students, those whom we are teaching, are more competent than us, right? So if you are going through the entire process of becoming Google certified educator, we will also become competent. And improve productivity of the or efficiency of the faculty members. Sometimes we have been doing some tasks which could have been done within 5 minutes, right? But since we don't know which applications are available for the same, we take 1 hour, right? So it will improve your efficiency as well. And so these are the highlights of Google tools which are there. And nearly about 18 Google tools are there in Google Certified Educator course. And we'll go one by one. I will give the demonstration of these tools. 13 crores teachers and students across the globe are using these tools. And the best part of Google tools and learning Google tool is this is super easy, right? So this is like an auto car, this is not a rocket science. We can learn with a structured training. You can learn and you can become proficient in using Google tools in your day-to-day education. Like this necklace, all this, though this necklace is looking beautiful, similarly all the Google tools are available for free, right? And like this Mercedes, it does have lots of features, right? Sometime in India we have this tendency of something is free, may not be having the feature. All Google tools are supporting all the teaching learning process and has got excellent features. Similarly, those tools are empowering you. Even you will be having a mobile app by which you will be sharing the learning resources to your students, whether it's a pharmacy, science, biology, any kind of resources can be shared using Google tools. So basically, we'll say this is empowering the teachers rather than removing the teachers. So by using Google tools, you'll be able to create an education website, digital classroom, interactive quizzes, question answer forum, less AR/VR lesson plan, video lessons, gamify the quizzes. And now what I'll do, I will take you through this tool one by one, so you understand it. And before we start on the live demonstration of the tool, let us understand it is a certification given by Google to the educators who are proficient in using digital tools in education, and it is one of the most valued tech certification for the teachers and faculty members. First of all, we'll start with Google site, right? Have you ever, anyone over here created a Google, created any kind of website before on their own? Anyone?
So we have not created a website of our own. We have a website. Some
Okay.
technical people are doing it. We ourselves are unaware of how to do it. And
so sometime, okay, let me start with this, right? So this is the right. Madam has already given me the answer number one, right? So why we don't know how to create a website? Because my school or college already has one, right? So I don't have to create a website. Second reason, I don't know coding. Third, it may be a very costly thing. And fourth, may be very difficult to learn, right? So that is why we never thought of creating a website only. So here, the best part with the Google Certified Educator program, you will be creating a beautiful website. No cost is there, no coding is required, very easy to learn, and many applications are there. Many application means, I will tell you what of different applications are there. You can create a website for your department, even in project. You can create a website to share learning resources on the website. Even you will able to create your faculty portfolio, right? So nowadays, not every teacher is just having the CV, right? By that we call resume. Even they have their own website where entire faculty portfolio is there. What exactly you have done, how many seminars you have attended, what kind of classes you have been delivering, everything about you. Even students are submitting nowadays their assignment in the format of a website. And the best part, this Google website is going to go for every screen, from the desktop to smartphone. And even we will able to create a smart dashboard using Google site. So let me give you the live demonstration of a Google site. So okay, so here we are there on the science department, right, everyone? So this kind of website, and definitely even better than this, you will able to create within couple of hours. The best part of it, this is completely free for all the educators. So here you can say, like for example, you have a pharmacy department and a pharmacy college, you may be having different other web departments. So you can showcase your department activities over there, research activities conducted by your department. Even the class calendar can be there, right? So everything we can have. Similarly, you can share the success stories of your students, any project that they have done, any research they conducted on your class website, right? So each class or each department can have their own website like this. Then registration. Every now and then you're organizing some or kind of other activities in the class, some kind of webinar, some kind of workshop. So everything can be automated using this website, right, everyone? So I can have my own website detail over here. And again, we have mobile number, section number, college name, everything can be here so that they can come and they can become the part of this one, right? Similarly, even we can showcase the details of the faculty members over here. And in case you want to present the study material, right? So in case you want to share your presentation, PDF file, everything can be shared using this site. All right. So all your learning resources can be shared using your own website. Even if you want to share your own videos or any video which are there on YouTube, even you will able to share those videos from your website, right, everyone? And these videos are largely directly from YouTube. So if I play, they will start playing. They will start playing. So, when I'm inserting my YouTube videos on my website, so do I have to worry about the copyright part? Anyone? Do I have to worry about the copyright part in case if I'm adding the videos from YouTube? Anyone?
No idea, sir. You can elaborate.
So we don't have to worry about the copyright part, right? So even if I'm adding any video from YouTube, you do not have to worry about the copyright part. So when we have to worry about the copyright part, when we are downloading the video from YouTube to desktop and then uploading somewhere, then we have to worry about the copyright part. But here, directly we are adding the video on our website. So these videos can be your videos or any other videos related to pharmacy which is available on YouTube. Even you can have over here, right? On your website. After this, right? So like as I told you, we can have projects submitted by different students. So it will serve lots of purpose, right? So again, nowadays even faculty members are creating website for their own this one as well. Their own faculty portfolios are there on the website. So you can create your own website for to showcase your own portfolio. And you won't believe it, creation of website other than other platform, if you're going to do it, every year it will cost you somewhere around 5 to 6,000 rupees for maintenance of the server and everything. The best part of this Google site is this is completely free for all the educators. So you don't have to invest anything in the creation of the website. So I'm just showing you another website which you'll be able to create and which you'll be able to learn, which is on faculty portfolio. Right, so here is the website for faculty portfolio. So you can have all your details, your achievements over here, your own calendar, contact form. Wherever you have worked, you can have all the project related information, research paper, what all subject that you're teaching, all the information can be here. Any seminar that you attended before or you have been delivering any seminar, you can again publish all the details over here. Right. So similarly, you can share the study resources. So this can become a kind of your own personal identity. Right. And since you are the faculty member already teaching senior students, if you have such kind of website, I think this is going to be excellent way of sharing your knowledge with others. And the best part of Google site is this facility is largely not available in many of the sites. It will provide you to share your website in 3 different formats. One, this will be available to everyone. So anyone can come to your website from Google. They will type your name and their website will come. That is called public site. Second site that you will be able to create is called college site, where only the student and faculty member of your college will able to open the website. Otherwise, other people will not able to open the website. And the third way of sharing is only people whom you are allowing in your college will able to open your website. Right, everyone? Or outside your college, only restricted people you are allowing to visit to your website. So this website can be shared for 3 purposes: to everyone, only to the students and college faculty members of your institute, and the third is only to the selected people. Right. So this is all about the website. Any queries on the website? Anyone? Okay.
Sir, we like to know how to create that website.
So that part is going to be there in the training program, sir. So in the training program, we will teach you how to create the robust website for your own institute, for your own class, and for your own subject, right? Then here we
will you increase the volume of your presentation? I mean that
I think, madam, is my voice audible to everyone?
People are sitting at different places, sir. If they have a network issue, maybe they are not able to hear you clearly. Here, this is no problem.
Yes, sir. Right. Sir, I think from my side, there is no issue. Possibly, sir, you have to check it from your end, right, sir? So, and the second part, Google Classroom is one-stop solution for everyone. Though you are using Moodle, but let understand how Google Classroom can also be useful for you. And the best part of Google Classroom is very handy, right? You yourself will able to make all the changes, or you will able to create your own classes. So it's like operating like a PPT or a presentation, right? And using this Google Classroom, you will able to create your own ebook. You will be able to share learning resources using mobile app, distribute the assignments and give the feedback, conduct the quizzes, check plagiarism. You will be getting the consolidated grade book and class announcement. So let me give you the live demonstration of a Google Classroom as well. Right, so I can have classes. These are different subjects that we are teaching. So based on my subject, so this is equally relevant for the college as well, though the name is given as science 7th class, just for the demo purpose. For example, if I'm teaching biology or science subject, so here I can have my, first of all, chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the best part is, like in Moodle, our dependency is there on the technical person. Here, we ourselves will able to introduce any of the new topic over here. For example, if I want to write chapter number, for example, this chapter is there till chapter number 15. If I want to write chapter number 16, I'll just go create. I'll just say topic, chapter number 16. So here I got chapter number 16, right? So, and similarly, in case if I have to delete it, I can delete it immediately. And here in this classroom, this can become your subject, a kind of ebook for yourself, right? Which if any subject that you're teaching. So here I have my own annual schedule. In case if you want to give your schedule using online platform, so here on Google Calendar, you can give a schedule like this. Right, this is going to be annual schedule. Similarly, we will able to create a question answer forum. So you know what is a question answer forum? Especially when we are teaching senior students after 12, this question answer forum can be very handy for everyone. So I'm sure some of you might have heard of Quora, right, on internet. Quora is there, which is a platform being used to answer any queries over there. People ask any queries and they get the answer, right? Have you ever thought, can we create our own Quora question answer forum? Yes, we can create our own question answer forum. Every teacher will be able to create their own subject question answer forum. So what is happening? Whenever students have any doubt, they can ask in the forum, and I can reply. Even other students can reply. And the best part of it, next time onwards, whenever other students are having the query, they may not necessarily have to ask the question. They can directly go and see the replies. So it's very handy. Many times they're asking for some resources. Okay, sir, please share this, please share this. So everything can be there in this question answer forum. And if I use the label, so here, for example, if I just want to see what all queries that have been asked in unit number 1, if I click unit number 1, I am getting all my queries related to unit number 1. So whatever doubt that I have, I can click onto it and I get the reply. Otherwise, in case if my question are not there or not been asked by anyone else, so even I can ask a new question. And this question answer forum can be there specific to your class, specific to your college, or specific to your city as well, right? So we can create a question answer forum in multiple formats. Similarly, here we can share our teaching notes, right? So whatever thing that you want to share, you can share your teaching notes, and these are I'm sure all of you are aware of this kind of notes, and right, so this can be shared. And after this we can have some reference videos over here. In case for your subject, you want to give some additional material to your students. So this is can be your own video or a video from your from YouTube or from any other guest faculty, right? So even you can create. This is Google is empowering to create your own ebook, and the best part of it, similar same thing will be available on mobile as well, right? Once you download the mobile app, everything will be available on mobile app as well. And after this, in case you want to give them some practice questions to your students, these practice questions are going to be available. They can solve the quizzes and and all those things you will able to create immediately on the fly. You will able to create. So you will be have different kind of questions. We can add videos in the questions. We can add images in the questions. And then the last one is the assignments, right? Day in, day out, all the teachers are conducting some or other assignments, right? So for example, here I have asked them to prepare a document on photosynthesis in plants. And I'll be checking this document on the basis of relevancy, originality, presentation, images, citation, and submission on time, right? So for example, one assignment has been submitted. So I am checking this assignment, right? When I'm checking this assignment, generally what is happening nowadays, students are copying the assignments from internet, right? Everyone. So here, with the help of this one, Google, I will be getting a process where even I will able to check how much content they have copied from the internet. So it is just checking the plagiarism part. Just can you see? So I got the result. So she has copied nearly about 94% of the content from this particular website. Yes. So even if some students are submitting the assignments, if they're copied from somewhere, as a teacher, I am understanding from which website they are copying the content, from which content they are taking now. Right, everyone? So that way we can take our assignments and we can create very authentic assignments for the students. And similarly over here, I can give the marks to the students, right? Based on the different criteria. Relevant details has been added. Yes, has been added. Then she'll be getting 1 mark. Unique content, no, because she copied it from the internet. So here I am giving 0 mark. Adding the images, yes. Citation were there, yes. Footnote was there, yes. Submission on time, no. This is the way she has received 2.5 marks. And now even she knows where teacher has deducted the marks. And in case sometime some teachers are asking nowadays, they want to give some audio and video feedback as well. So immediately over here, you can give a audio or video feedback as per your choice. This is not mandatory to give the audio video feedback, but in case if you want to give, you can give. And all your students will be getting a very detailed feedback from your side, from where you have deducted the marks. Right? And after giving the marks, what you want to do, you want to see the performance of the students. So here we have got something called gradebook. So I can see the performance of all my students over here, right? Who is performing at what level, whether they have submitted the assignment, not submitted the assignment. So everything is there with me. So now this is all about Google Classroom. Any queries from the faculty members on Google Classroom?
I think they are all doing it because we were conducting classes through the Moodle platform.
Right.
And using Google Classroom also as a tool. So maybe most of them will be aware of it. And in case any additions are done, they can even ask you later in the training.
Yeah. Yes. Right. So in Google Classroom, you will be learning how to best practices of creating digital classroom, how to integrate different digital tools in classroom, best practices of adding different types of learning resources, how to use classroom to provide personalized content as per the ability of the student, different ways of inviting students, evaluating assignments using rubrics and check plagiarism, different strategies of giving student feedback, preparing the guidebook, and best practices for driving discussion. Then you have Google Form. I have already shown you one. So many Google Forms can be created, and I'm sure some of the teachers are already aware of Google Forms. So many things that you'll be learning over here. Best strategies to conduct formative assessment, how to add videos, images, how to create section-wise quizzes, how to create adaptive quizzes for effective formative assessment, how to import question from other sources, how to capture responses in a spreadsheet, and how to create a lesson plan or sharing learning content using Google Forms. Right. So those are the things that you'll be learning under Google Form. Then sometime what happened as a science teacher, sometimes we think, okay, let me take my student to some different, possibly different habitats, right? Or different part of the world, or different museum, something like this. So many such resources are available, which you may able to use it. So and this part, though you're coming from pharmacy, but I think sometime you can have you will able to integrate even virtual learning over here, that is augmented reality over here in your classroom. So just let me give the example over here. Right. For example, this is the thing that we have created for historical monuments of India. So if I present it something like this, so this will take me like this. This completely you will able to create as per your subject, right? Even for things which are relevant for mathematics, things which are relevant to science, right? Pharma, you can go, you can take them to the virtual tour, you can discuss about these things. Even we can take a walk along this, okay? And even we can have a video over here like this, and then some text content, right? So this is the way we will able to create a virtual content over here. Now we are going to the next location, right? So this is the way we will able to create scientific tour or virtual tour for our students, in case if you want to show them some places. So those are the things that you'll be learning in the training program. Again, you will able to learn how to create a YouTube channel, and how to share videos directly by preparing the playlist, right? So here Google does not advise you to share video one by one, but here you will able to share your videos something like this, one in the form of a playlist and in the form of format of a channel. So you will able to learn how to create a channel and how to share the videos to your students, and even within those videos we can be able to create some assignments or some learning part we can create. So this is the way we are learning how to use free resources in our lesson plan, or whatever classes that we are delivering, right everyone? So this is the way that we have edited the videos, and here we are delivering them, how to use it. After this, so again in Google Docs, I'm sure all of you are using Google Docs, and here you will be learning about the basic function, and how to support collaborative learning with Google Docs, how to create smart navigation, prepare index, different sharing options in Google Docs, and how to publish your docs on the web, how to review group contribution, how to create a hyperdocs, how to do research within the Google Docs. So you don't have to go on internet, right? So within the Google Docs, you will be able to create the research, how to add the citation, footnote, book control docs using version history, and how to create authentic document using footnote and citation, right? So those part you'll be learning in the Google Doc. Then again, spreadsheet, you'll be getting other tools which are very frequently used by most of the educators on spreadsheet, that you'll be able to learn it from here. Then again, slides, though all of you are maybe using slides day in, day out, but there are certain features, very advanced features that teachers are not aware of it. So you'll be learning about those, like how to support collaborative learning, how to create dynamic and engaging content, how to trim your videos inside the slide, how to add presenter note features to deliver impactful presentation, right? So some of this content will be available to you. Again, you'll be learning to add other tools which are not directly from Google, like for example, Nearpod. Have you used Nearpod before, anyone over here? Anyone, have you used Nearpod before? No? Okay, so let me give you the quick demonstration of one Nearpod account also. So how you can add 3D element. For example, if you are teaching body parts, right? how you can add 3D elements, 3D videos directly in your presentation. Right. So this is a basic presentation as of now. 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slide, 4 slide. But after 4 slide, since this was on historical monuments, I have added a 3D model of Taj Mahal. Then this is augmented video, so I can take them again to the tour which we have seen before. And so again, with the help of Nearboard, even we can even add quizzes in YouTube videos. This is a YouTube video. So what I right. So even we have added a quiz within YouTube video using Nearboard. Then you can add simulation, right? Especially for pharma, this is very important. You will able to add simulation directly in the presentation. So this is a very basic simulation that I'm showing it to you. And you can add other simulation as well. Just getting it uploaded, otherwise I'll take you to the other slide and we'll come back to this one. I think some issue, I think it is taking some time to upload as of now. Okay, but anyway, I can show you that later on otherwise. So this is the way we have, again in the presentation, we can add the quiz like this way. Right, so this is a very impactful presentation that you will able to create using Nearport, and which is a tool directly not available in Google. But we'll be covering it over here. So this is one of the most dynamic way of creating the presentation. And all right, so after this, let me take you through the presentation. So I think one of the faculty, in case now your microphone is not working, I can see, but I cannot. In case if you have any query, you can write it down here in the text box, madam. Then again, we'll be learning about this one, Google Drive, how to use systematically Google Drive, how to organize your drive very well, right? So many things are there in Google Drive, how to ensure share your videos or files in a secure way that viewers cannot download your files, how to share learning resources with various view comments in edit, right? And again, you can have your own calendar where you can organize schedule event, custom calendars, manage participation, appointment, set reminder. And again, Google Keep is there, your task manager. So these are the tools which are directly available to Google to all the educators. So you will be having all the tasks, and this is something like your sticky notes, which you'll be able to keep, and you'll be able to set your reminders and everything. A Jamboard is there. Google Group, I have already given you the example of Google Groups before, like question answer forum, right? So this is the way you will be able to create a question answer forum. Again, you will be learning some advanced features which are available in Gmail, like how to improve the productivity of your Gmail, how to create labels to organize your inbox, how use filter to automate forwarding, deleting, and labeling of emails, and translation feature in Gmail to communicate with a diverse audience. right? So, and lastly, you'll be learning on Google Meet some different extensions which are available, and on Google Chat, right, which is used for one-to-one communication. Again, some part we'll be learning about the digital pedagogy and the classroom pedagogy, right? So, under classroom pedagogy, let me give you the example. The one of the most popular example is called flipped classroom. The three most effective ways of modern classroom techniques: blended, project-based learning, and flipped classroom. So I'm sure, are you aware of flipped classroom? Teachers, faculty members? Okay, great.
We are not
So,
aware of flipped classroom.
so flipped classrooms are becoming very useful, especially to teach senior students, right? So I'll just tell you about flipped classroom. It's very effective way of delivering the modern ways of classroom. So for example, let us understand what is traditional classroom. So in traditional classroom, so what is happening? Teacher is delivering the class, right? And students are going to their home and they are completing the assignments, right? This is the way it is happening. We deliver the classes in the class, and students go to the home and they complete the assignments in the workbook. So if you take this part as a Bloom's taxonomy, if you understand, I'm sure most of you are aware of Bloom taxonomy. So in as per, if you see as per Bloom taxonomy, what is happening? Students are doing lower order thinking skills when faculty is around, right? Because when you are explaining them the concept, they're understanding and they're remembering something. So they are doing lower order thinking skills in the classroom, and outside the classroom, they are doing higher order thinking skills when they are doing the assignments, right? So what is happening? Students need their faculty most when they do higher order thinking skills. Higher order thinking skills, when they do, they need their faculty staff to help them out. But what is happening other way around over here? That they are in the class in front of faculty member when they are doing lower order thinking skills, and higher order thinking skills they are doing outside the class. So we have to reverse this thing. So this is called flipped classroom. So in the flipped classroom, I have created my own videos, right? Or I have created my own notes, or some videos which are available on YouTube. I'm sharing the basic content of my class on those videos or on the website. Students are understanding the topic with the help of the website, and they are doing this assignment in the class as a group project, and collaborating with other students, and they are doing it. And the best part of it, when they do the assignment in front of the faculty member, they even can't cheat, right? Otherwise on internet they directly copy paste it. So this is called flipped classroom. So in flipped classroom, what is happening now? The higher order thinking skills are happening in the class, and lower order thinking skills are happening outside the class. So that is why across all topmost universities outside India are using flipped classroom as the best way of delivering or building the knowledge in their students, right? So this part you understand very well on how to create your own impactful flipped classroom under this training course. So this is about Google Certified Educator Training Program. I have explained most of the tools, and you have to complete the training program. To register for the exam, you have to pay nearly about 900 or 950 rupees. You can write the exam at the comfort of your home, and duration of the exam is 180 minutes. And you'll be getting the result within 3 to 7 days. So this is Google Certified Educator. This kind of certification you'll be receiving directly from Google. So Google certification means you are competent in using technology and Google tools in your teaching learning process. And here is the syllabus. So already syllabus we talked about when I was taking you to different slides. And the benefit of this certification, you will able to reduce your workload, very engaging and interactive classroom. You will able to integrate digital tools with lesson plan, reduce the digital gap. You will prepare for the new learning models, prepare students for future work, lead the digital transformation, increase your tech credibility, and get the edge, right? So this is about the training program, and this is our fee. But I'm sure a fee part, I think our sales people will discuss with you. But this is our regular fees of 6,000 rupees, where you get the 5 weeks training, hands-on training program, 12 assignments, and regular doubt solving session and learning material from our side, right? So that's all, right? So we have a family of nearly about 250 certified Google educators from our side. And we have trained nearly about faculty member from 1,000 schools and colleges here in India. And apart from Google, we are also offering Microsoft certified educators. We are offering digital marketing for educators, a unique program only designed for the educators, those who want to promote themselves, those who want to promote, create the brand of their institute, and coding classes for the educators, right? So these are the details that all those details are from our side. So now the session is open for the queries. In case if you have any queries, you can ask me. Anyone, any queries from the participants, from the educators? Okay, so I think if no queries are there, then shall we end the session? Jyoti madam, I just would like to take your permission. Shall we end the session? You can write in the comment box.
Will you narrate benefits of a Google approved teacher or a Google approved resource person?
So this is the entire presentation on that only, sir. Like, so it will right. So if you become a Google certified educator, sir, you will be it will improve your tech credibility also, right? So whenever people who are there Google certified educator, it means they are very proficient in technology, right? So it will improve your branding as well, right? And everywhere in all your email communication, everywhere you will be able to use Google tag or Google certified educator, right? So it is going to be helpful in your personal branding as well.
So one more question, one more doubt. You have already told about the creation of website. Whether
Yes,
we
sir.
had to pay any extra amount for maintaining that website?
No, nothing. It's completely free. Only thing, as of now, you will be getting a domain call. For example, your name is Mohan. So you will be, or any other website that you're creating, Mohan, or any other name that you want to give. The name will be googlesite.mohan.com. In case you need only mohan.com, then in that case only you have to pay somewhere around 500 to 800 rupees per year. Otherwise, you don't have to pay any single rupee for the creation and maintenance of the website.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So if any other queries are there, I'll just wait for 1 minute. Otherwise, we'll end the session. Okay. So thank you, everyone. So every month, madam, every month we have the batches, couple of batches every month in March, April, May, June, every month we have the batches. So as per your time availability, or you can talk to our team members. They will come to you regarding the batch information and everything. So thank you everyone for being here and attending this session on Google Certified Educator. I'm just closing the session.